1. Warm up. Get ready to speak English. Hello and welcome to your 30 minutes of daily English speaking practice. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we're going to practice real-life English step by step. Just follow along, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Remember, speaking English fluently starts with confidence. Many learners feel shy or nervous, but the more you speak, the faster your confidence grows. So today, we'll warm up your mouth, your brain, and your voice together. Let's begin with a few easy sentences to get your speaking muscles ready. Repeat after me. I am ready to practice English today. I will speak clearly and confidently. I will enjoy learning and improving. That's very good. Keep going. Now let's practice some rhythm and flow. The goal is to speak naturally, not perfectly. Listen and repeat with energy. Good morning. How are you today? I'm feeling great and ready to learn. Let's make today a good English day. You're doing excellent. When you speak with energy, you train your brain to think faster in English. This is how fluency begins, not from memorizing, but from using English daily. Let's move into a short fluency exercise. Repeat each line naturally. I can speak English every day. My English improves when I practice. Confidence comes from daily action. That's wonderful. Keep your focus and don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean progress. You're training your brain to think and respond faster in English. Mini recap. You just completed your English warm-up. You activated your voice, rhythm, and confidence. Now we're ready to move into real-life practice. 2. Morning practice. Real-life conversations. Now that you're warmed up, let's move into daily morning English. Imagine you're starting your day, getting ready, making coffee, or greeting someone. These are simple but powerful moments to practice English naturally. Let's begin with some everyday sentences. Repeat after me. Good morning. It's a new day. I feel fresh and ready to start. Let's make today productive and positive. That's very good. Keep going. These short lines are perfect to speak while you get ready in the morning. The more you use English in real moments, the faster you'll sound natural. Now let's practice a short morning dialogue. Imagine talking to yourself in English as you start your day. Repeat after me. What time is it? It's 7:30. I should get ready for work. First, I'll make some coffee. Then, I'll check my schedule. Excellent. You're doing great. You see, these sentences are not from a textbook. They are real life. English is the key to fluency. Let's go a little deeper with positive self-talk. Many fluent speakers build confidence by speaking kindly to themselves. Repeat after me. Today is a great day to practice English. I can speak English with confidence. Each word I say makes me stronger. That's perfect. Keep going. When you start your day in English, your brain begins to think in English. Even a few minutes of speaking aloud can change your mindset for the whole day. Mini recap. You've practiced your morning English routine, greetings, small talk, and daily motivation. This step trains your fluency and confidence from the very start of your day. 3. Midday practice. Think and speak in English. Now it's time for your midday practice. This is when you start to think in English, not just repeat words. You might be at work, at school, or taking a short break. Even 5 minutes can make a big difference if you use English actively. Let's start with simple thoughts you can say in English during the day. Repeat after me. I'm a little busy, but I can still practice English. I'm learning new words every day. I understand more English than before. That's very good. Keep going. Thinking in English helps your brain connect ideas directly to words. No translation needed. Now, imagine you're walking or eating lunch. You can describe what's happening around you. Try these with me. I'm walking to the store. I see people talking and laughing. The weather feels nice and warm. I'm enjoying my lunch break. Excellent work. Speaking out loud or even quietly in your mind helps build natural fluency. This technique, describing your surroundings, is one of the fastest ways to make English automatic. Now, let's add short question and answer patterns. Repeat after me. What am I doing now? I'm practicing English. Why am I doing this? To speak more fluently. How do I feel? I feel proud and motivated. That's great. Keep going. These self-talk exercises turn English into part of your daily thoughts. You're training your brain to stay in English mode. Mini recap. Midday practice helps you think in English and describe your world naturally. It's simple, quick, and powerful for building everyday fluency. 4. Afternoon practice. Build fluency through shadowing. Now let's move into your afternoon session, the most powerful part of this practice. Shadowing. Shadowing means listening and repeating English immediately, trying to match rhythm, tone, and speed. It helps your pronunciation, listening, and fluency all at once. Let's start with a short practice. Repeat right after me. Try to copy my speed and I keep improving every day. Speaking English feels more natural now. The more I practice, the better I get. That's excellent. Keep going. Shadowing trains your mouth to move smoothly in English. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on rhythm and confidence. Now, let's practice with a short story. Listen and repeat each line after me. I finished my work early today. I met a friend for coffee. We talked about our weekend plans. I enjoyed speaking in English with confidence. Very good. You sounded natural. Shadowing helps you connect words into chunks. This is how native speakers sound fluent. Let's go a little faster this time. I'm learning new expressions every day. I can understand English speakers more easily. My pronunciation is improving step by step. Excellent. When you shadow regularly, your brain starts recognizing rhythm automatically. You stop thinking word by word and start speaking in smooth phrases. Mini recap. Afternoon shadowing builds your listening and speaking rhythm. By copying natural speech daily, you'll sound more fluent and confident in real conversations. 5. Evening practice. Review, reflect, and speak freely. Evening practice is your time to slow down, review, and speak freely. You don't need to follow strict rules, just express yourself. Think about what happened today, what you learned, and how you felt. Reflection in English helps connect emotion with language, which is key to fluency. Let's start with a few gentle reflection sentences. Repeat after me. Today, I practiced English and learned something new. I spoke with more confidence than yesterday. I'm proud of my progress and effort. That's very good. Keep going. Reflection gives you a sense of growth and builds self-belief. Even when you feel tired, short reflection helps you stay motivated. Now, let's try a short evening monologue. Imagine you're talking to yourself in English before bed. Today was a long day, but I made time for English. I listened, I repeated, and I spoke. Each day I get a little better. Tomorrow I'll do it again. You're doing excellent. You can also use this time to review difficult sentences or new words you learned. Repeating them out loud helps your brain remember faster. Let's end this section with a few more motivational lines. Repeat after me. Fluency takes time, but I'm moving forward. I don't give up, even when it's hard. My daily practice is building my confidence. Mini recap. Evening reflection connects learning with emotion. It reminds you of your progress and prepares you for the next day's English practice. 6. Motivation and consistency. Make English a daily habit. Now that you've completed your morning, midday, afternoon, and evening routines, the final step is to stay consistent. Fluency doesn't come from one long study session. It comes from daily practice. Small actions, repeated every single day. Many learners quit because they expect fast results. But real progress happens slowly, like building muscle. You may not see it every day, but it's happening inside your brain. New connections forming, pronunciation improving, confidence growing. Let's start with a few powerful motivation lines. Repeat after me. I can speak English confidently. I'm improving every day. I trust the process and keep going. That's very good. Keep going. Motivation is not about feeling excited all the time. It's about showing up even when you don't feel like it. When you speak a little English every day, you're training your mind to stay in English mode. Here's a secret. The best learners don't study more. They practice consistently. Even 30 minutes a day builds a strong habit that leads to fluency. Let's say a few commitment lines together. Repeat after me. I will practice English every day. Even when I'm busy, I can find time. Small steps lead to big results. Excellent. You're building a new routine, a new habit, and a new version of yourself. Someone who speaks English with ease and confidence. Let's end this session with one final reflection. Repeat after me. I am proud of my progress. I am becoming fluent in English. I believe in myself and my daily practice. That's wonderful. You are making real progress. Remember, this 30-minute routine is your daily space for growth. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'm proud of you. Your journey to fluency is already happening. One sentence